The Nigerian genius.
I'm by name Abubakar Musa Omare, student of Federal University of Technology, Minna. Today we learned CNC, and CNC is one of the core aspects of manufacturing, which we were introduced, and even the operation of CNC. And equally, we completed some fabrication job that we started before now, and also a PCB designing. The time spending here is very fun. We begin to see the in-depth of engineering. This shows the difference between the campus and the industry, because we are able to see the knowledge that are required at the industrial level. Engineering is really happening here. I will be giving a big shout out to the organizers of this program, because they have really tried to improve and impart knowledge on the young engineers. Please always vote for Team FUT.
The Nigerian genius.